How to add a text to the lock screen on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device. Next, all you have to do is scroll down and here you can see the option of lock screen. So tap on lock screen. As you do that, you can see different options available over here, but as you can see, there's no options to add a text to the lock screen on Android phone as of now. So we're going to go back and tap on about phone options on the settings and make sure that we have the latest version of the software on our device. As it says, there are no updates available, which means we have the latest version of the updates and latest version of the device right now. So what we can simply do is, in order to add a text, you can just simply use any of the editing apps and then click a picture and add a text, and then you can just tape it as a wall screen or wallpaper on your device, and that's how you can add a text to the lock screen on Android phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.